Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to log out your Facebook account from all devices remotely. In this video we will learn this guys. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to open the Facebook app on your phone. After opening, here in the top right side corner of your screen you can get three lines option. Just tap on it. Okay, and here you can get the settings gear icon. Just tap and open that settings. Okay, in the settings here you can get the option see more in account center. Just tap on it. Okay, and here you can get the option password and security. Just tap and open that option, and here you can get the option where you are logged in. Just open this. Okay, and here you can get your all accounts. From here you need to select your Facebook account like this, and here you can get the all devices where your Facebook account is logged in. As you can see guys, if you want to remove your Facebook account from any device, just select the device like this, and here you can get the option log out. As you can see guys, if you want to log out, just tap on log out option. That's it. Okay, so from here you can easily able to remotely log out your Facebook account from other devices. Okay, so that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.